Hey friends, Costco is bringing in so many exciting new arrivals for August, and I found some really fun products today. I spotted a 5-piece serving set, hunter boots, a beautiful teak bench, incredible sales, and a few surprises you don't want to miss. If you love Costco finds and deals, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. I find that Costco always brings out the best paper towel holders. And yes, all the ones I've seen have actually been able to fit the Kirkland paper towel too. These are going for $14.99. It's supposed to be like a one-handed operation. It's a weighted base. So that way it helps prevent tipping, of course. Has non-slip pads to keep it securely in place, and it's very easy to refill too. You just slide on a new roll anytime you need to. It is available in 2 colors. It's available in black and white, and it measures 13.4 inches tall. And guys, just look at how stylish and practical these bowls are. This is a serving set in a total of 5 pieces. You get 5 ceramic bowls, and these are going for $14.99 right now. They have a glossy finish to them with a unique swirl pattern. Just look at the configuration here. Even that looks cute. So you can definitely use these for appetizers, especially when you have guests over. They're also microwave and dishwasher safe. If you love baking or meal prepping, Costco just dropped this half-sheet baking pan that comes as a set of 2. These are going for $21.99, by the way, and it's the standard size, 18 by 13 inch. They're made from heavy gauge aluminized steel. So you can definitely use these for, baking your cookies, making sheet cakes, roasted vegetables. It is recommended to hand wash these to preserve the nonstick coating. This one's new at Costco. It's the Ninja Crush IQ blender. Love the size of the pitcher. It's 72 ounces. $79.99 is the current price. So this one's definitely perfect for making multiple servings at once. You can blend frozen fruit, leafy greens, nuts, and ice with ease. So you can definitely use it for things like your smoothies, protein shakes, slushies, dips, and sauces. It says it has an Auto IQ one-touch program that takes the guesswork out of blending. And it's got Crush IQ technology that automatically pulses and blends for the best results. Costco just dropped this Dash Smart Store stirring popcorn maker. If you're someone that loves fresh popcorn at home, then this is perfect for you. It's going for $29.99 right now, and it's got some really nice features. Let me show you guys. Here's some of the details. So you can see at the top, it's got a butter melting tray. And then the lid, it doubles as a serving bowl too. And then you have a built-in measuring cup included that lets you make 8, 16, or 24 cups of popcorn. This is a really nice essentials pan trio of 8 pieces that comes with lids. So it's a whole fry pan set, and then you get one of 8, 10, and 12 inch. And these are going for $149.99 right now. I do notice though it's part of the special events, so they're probably only available at select Costco's, but these are really nice. I love the look of them. Love the gold knob too, and they even come with the storage rack included. So that's nice. And again, the lids are also included, and they're oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Just look at how beautiful and versatile this piece is. This one right here is by Teak House, and it's a teak bench. It's going for $69.99. It's made from FSC certified solid teak wood. It's fully assembled already, so no tools or setup is required. It has a built-in lower shelf for things like your towels, shoes, baskets, or decor even. And it's got a natural teak finish with a warm, rich wood tone. Here is a sale you don't want to miss. Guys, Costco has the space-saving laundry basket at a discount right now until August 16th. Has $2 off the original price, so typically it goes for $11. Right now with the $2 off, the price comes down to $8.99. But I love that this is collapsible. You definitely save yourself a lot of space with that little feature there. And it pretty much pops open in seconds and folds down to just 3 inches thick. Okay, Costco's definitely tempted me with these. It's the organic strawberry by Johnny Pops. Guys, you get 18 popsicles per box. This is a new flavor, by the way. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. $12.59, and Costco's really tempting me since my favorite Johnny Pops popsicles are the chocolate dipped ones, and that one has strawberry cream, so it's right up my aisle. This one has the serving size says of 2 pops, but if you just have one, it's only 60 calories, 14 grams of carbs, 14 grams of sugar. I may have to give this one a try. Here's another interesting find, and this one has vanilla ice cream. These are mini ice cream sandwiches, by the way. You get 24 of them, going for $11.99. I do find these to be of the perfect size. It says here per sandwich, it's 170 calories. Wow. And then it says per sandwich, 10 grams of fat. Then you have around 19 grams of carbs, 2 grams of protein, and then it also has around 11 grams of sugar per sandwich. We're definitely going to be adding these dumplings to our cart. It's the Japanese style gyoza by Ajinomoto. And guys, these are so good and very easy to cook. They're already made for you. All you have to do is add water and give them a couple minutes. But I really love the convenience. $4 off through August 23rd, guys. Grab them if you haven't tried them. Highly recommend. Anytime Costco's giving out samples of these vegetable spring rolls with edamame in them, I'm always grabbing seconds. These are also very good. $3 off through August 23rd. So these are also on sale right now. You get 50 ounces of the spring rolls, and these come down to $7.59 in my area. Here are the nutrition facts for just 5 spring rolls, around 260 calories, and it comes with the soy ginger sauce too. And that one's 15 calories for 1 tablespoon. These are pretty cute. They're mini muffin bites with a birthday cake flavor. And you get 20 pouches in each box too. These are going for $7.99. I was reading here that you get 4 mini muffins per pouch. And so 1 pouch is the serving size, which would be around 180 calories. And that would have around 15 grams of sugar. My daughter has been loving these Amara organic smoothie melt snacks. The other day they were giving samples, and so I gave her one. I didn't think she would like them, but she loved them. It's the mixed berries flavor. So I'm definitely grabbing a box now that it's on sale. $5.40 off until August 23rd, guys. And I love that these come in little baggies too, so perfect for on the go. 1 bag would be the serving size, and it says it's around 30 calories. The ingredients on these little snacks are also very simple. You can see it's just banana, apple, coconut milk, red currant berries, and strawberry. If anyone likes Cheez-Its, these are also on sale. These are 2 extra large bags in each box. So you're getting around 3 pounds, and these have $3 off to August 23rd. So typically these go for $10. Right now the price comes down to $7. And I love the amount of Cheez-Its too that you're getting for the price. 27 crackers would be the serving size, and that would be around 150 calories. I can't believe it's only August and I'm already running into the Starbucks Holiday Blend. This one's got notes of sweet maple and herbs, and you get a total of 72 K-Cup pods. So this one's going for $44.99 right now. It's also available on Costco.com. Now, when it comes to shoes for ladies, I did spot hunter boots. This is amazing. So they actually brought out 2 different designs. These are the women's short boots. These are going for $93.99 right now. They have that short 24 centimeter height. And so these are 100% waterproof. They got the natural rubber construction to them. They also have that signature side buckle that adds the classic hunter look. And it's got a soft lining made with 100% recycled polyester. When it comes to sizes, I only spotted whole sizes from 6 to 11. Now, if you're looking for boots that will help keep your feet warm, these have the thermal insulated insole, and they have a soft micro fleece lining too. These are going for $99.99. These are the Hunter Women's Insulated Place short boots. And let me show you guys here what they look like. So these have that short boot style that makes it very easy to slip on and wear. They're designed for temperatures as low as 23 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also 100% waterproof. And they got that pull tab that makes it, very easy to put on and take off. These are good for the rain, cold weather, and even snowy days. It's actually been years since I've tried this Panorama mascara, but I'm so glad to have seen it at Costco because it comes in the 2-pack. This one's going for $19.99 right now. I'm pretty sure that's a good price actually, because I know this mascara can be quite pricey when you buy it individually. So it seems like you're getting a good amount for the price you're paying, of course. This mascara here adds volume, it adds length and definition. It helps create the fuller looking fanned out lashes if that's the look you're going for.